Welcome to Model Horse Tack School. My name is Carrie, and today we're going to open up Carmen. This is the first release for 2026 of the Premier Club, and there's a lot of talk about quality issues on this one, so I'm really curious to see what we got here. And when I saw the mold, I don't like rearing horses. I don't like horses with too much hair, especially if they don't have a cleared bridle path. So I can't say I was jumping up and down happy. There's always 1 out of 3 that tends to be something I don't like, so I get all of them anyways. This Carmen, here's her COA. Don't want to lose that. She came in her bag. I really do like the bags a lot. So let's see. Open up. I tend to keep my Premier Club boxes. The outer boxes are great for shipping other models. And so far I haven't gotten rid of the inner boxes because they're very colorful. But I don't collect boxes. So I might have to just break them down and throw them out. A lot of bubble wrap. You like this? Love cats. Just like how they destroy things. Alright, let's see. I mean, I love the color. I love the chocolate color. So that, you know, made it okay. And I think there's 1 or 2 of the rearing ones that I like. Okay, she's got dapples. I'm not sure about the yellow. I guess it's supposed to be like sun bleach because at the end. And number one thing that people complained about was the lack of detail in the face. And it's true, it seems like there's lack of detail there. Eyes are pretty. Eyes are very pretty. That comes off. Some people had problems where the face was, there's a little bit of seam right in there. A little bit of a rub right there. Underbelly looks good, considering you're going to see a lot of that. Lots of dapples on the underbelly. Not as much yellow here in the. That's nice. There's not a lot of yellow in there. I don't know, guys. This one isn't too bad. Does she have to rear? Can she just be prancing on her toes? Oh. Another little something there. Just the paint flaked off. I think I just did that too. It was loose plastic that got painted. So they didn't dust them off really good before painting. And that's what happens there. So she's got 3 little things. For a shelf piece, I mean, I'm not going to see it. And she is pretty, and I love the color. I'm a silver dapple fanatic. Or chocolate dapple. with flaxen mane and tail. Like if I could afford a Rocky Mountain horse, you know, in this color, that would be perfect. Can't even afford a goat, so I'm not disappointed with her. I mean, aside from the fact that she's rearing and she's very, like, you can see how she's solid even though she's moving in that direction. She can't prance this way. See, I'd much rather have her dancing on her toes like that. Huh, got her to stand. Because she'd kind of be interesting this way. Going around a barrel, maybe? I don't know. Oh, there's another one right there. I'm sorry. That's again because it wasn't clean. She didn't get cleaned before they sprayed, so it got a goopy right there. I don't think it's worth sending her back. But again, shelf piece. So that's what, four little goopies. Yeah, I don't know what this is. It's a kind of rubbery. I'm almost afraid to clean her because more of them will come off. Yeah, there was something in the shop before they painted that got all over these, and that's why you end up with stuff like that. I mean, it's not that obvious unless you're looking for it, really. So, I think she's pretty. She's got 4 little dingamums. And, I don't know. What do you guys think? I didn't really like the face in the picture anyways. And I've seen more pictures. It's just like lacking detail. Like right in here. Something just seems to be missing. This side is better. See how she's got more detail on this side? But on that side, it just seems to be missing. Some definition in here is missing. And the picture on the box, we couldn't see it real well. Yeah, it actually does. I mean, the box, the prototype looked like it had more detail in the face than that. So I think that's the complaint, is that you look at the prototype, and the prototype definitely has more facial detail than this one. This one's kind of bleh. So I don't know what happened, but I mean, she's got a nice face. It's okay. It's just we've had some really beautiful sculpted ones, and she's just kind of missing something from her face. And then a dirty factory causing these little paint wonkies things. Yeah, I use technical terms all the time. But I don't think it's obvious enough for me to return her. She's gonna be a shelf piece anyways. And as long as she's in my favorite color, I think I'm okay with her. So you tell me what you think. Am I just being too forgiving, or should I send her back for those 4 little dingy thingies, or 5? Was it 5 now? But let me know what you think. Should I keep her or should I send her back? I'm more or less gonna keep her, but you guys tell me why I should send her back. Alright, well, thank you for spending time with me today. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about the channel, and have yourself a really good day.